What's up, YouTube? Alright, welcome back to, 4162-876 Jamaica, my people, Been having this vlog for make phone from about 2-3 weeks now. I say, I want to talk about the topic here, my people. But people, I want them to like and share and subscribe to the channel. Kind of easy to come on here and just make up some topic. And we discuss about them, open a vision and open an eye about different situations of life, See people, just to make a go and line up and thing now within the mall. I'll get, my coffee to go and talk to, the people. Right? So people, you see the topic at hand, I'm ready to talk about, Jamaicans making it harder for overseas Jamaican, like you call them, foreigner. Stuff like that. You understand like that, people? So, why I bring up the topic there is on these facts of returning residents. Every time they go back home, something always, not all the time, but at least 15% of returning residents always mix up in something. Family contract killing, family this, family that, friend this, friend that. So I say, what? I'll bring up the topic here. I'm going to talk about it, right? So we'll start off with one recent one, what we see. A brother got Jamaica, right? From England. Yeah, so I'm left from England, To go bury my mother in a Jamaica, my people. And then them same family them turn around and murder him over family land. You see why I'm always tell people now for just go to Jamaica, drive around yourself, if I say it have to be, or one to your friend or you want to your same family them. But no, most of the time people don't mix up in them bangarings or anything like that. Just go buy a piece of land and go build your property. So you know no argument, you know no mix up, you know no headache, you're not getting a heart attack. You can just buy your land and leave there. You survey it before you come back. You get a lawyer and everything on it. And you leave it alone until you have enough money to build it. You understand me? Some people, till you have enough money to build your dream house. Because you go there and you have your family land and them bad mind you. And you spend millions of dollars. You fix up land, you help them with money to fix up them house. You help them with money to buy this, buy that, because they want to take care of your place. You understand me? I try to say, and them same one, I tear you down behind your back. You know that. You understand? So that's some company and I say, you know what? More build a video about Jamaicans making it harder for other Jamaicans. I'm not talking about all the Jamaicans who live in Jamaica and my people. No. I don't want to think like that, I just talk about the ones and few who know themselves that them are real pussy. Yes, my people, I'm sorry, I have to go straight on the one day. Because I hurt my heart more time, man. You know how hard it is, people work in foreign countries. You think we want to live here? You think most of us want to live here? Because we can't do better, we have to live here. And that's the problem. You hear that? Because of UNO. Because we can't live here, it's hard. More time some people have gone in snow and go work day and night shifts. Me remember when I used to do snow truck out 20 hours outside my day and snow work, my people. And then now imagine now you go send your heartache, say. You send all 100,000 Canadian dollar, 100,000 American, or 100,000 pound. And you expect if you go back to Jamaica, boom, you're going to get a nice property build up, dude. Everybody must send a picture and everything like that. Sorry the people. Can I get a small double? Yeah. And you go build up a house, my people. Debit? No. And you go build up a house, my people. And they must send you a picture. Because remember, my people, you never did that for buy it, you see it. So they must send you a picture, send you videos, send you everything. So you say, yeah, you go back home to a nice piece of property now, my people. And then come to shock, you go back home, nothing wasn't there, the house wasn't yours. I see a video like that, somebody that talk about like that, Let me explain what happened to that lady. She said she was in America and she was helping her brother in Jamaica. And she helped, small double, right here, my people, People don't know, so they always see me with something I drink, you know. Today we're not drinking any alcohol or any beer, but probably later we will, because it's a Friday, and that's how my people. People want them to do, you know, share and like the video, them, you know, my people. Don't do me that, man. The last video I put out last time, I don't get that much views, so I don't know what I want. Like, and I try the channel grow, my people. I don't like to hear my voice. When I like to hear my voice, you can't tell me, you know, I stop doing video, them, you know. But you know, I not do the video, them, for just who. Now like or share, it's okay, I just go continue. You know people, I go sit down for the one and talk to them. I see I can put down the camera and drink the coffee and go now one talk. You understand? Alright, 1 second my people, 1 second. I transport this and sit down. Right, that's my people. 1 second, turn this up. Alright, my people, now say I'm good now. So yes, my people. Take a one drink. Ooh. So yes, my people. So what happened now to that lady then? She left from America. She said she sent over probably $500,000 to Jamaica. To her brother, you know. For bill her, for buy, for, I think I buy her bill and build a house. And then when the lady go down there, you know, remember I used to send money for help our brother all the time. Anything we want him get. Anything. You understand? And then now the lady finally say, oh, retirement now for God, Jamaica for go retire now. For go build a life and a future, you know? Because you know when you're working in the country for so long, you know, my people. You just want to go back home, go rest, right? And the lady go back home, my people. And somebody, the brother take over the title. Over the title from the house. When she go there, she say one woman will stay there. One young girl, she say a young woman. She go in her house and this and have argument with the brother. The brother say if you don't leave this country or leave this house in 24 hours. The lady said she pack her things and leave the next day on the plane and lift up. I not try to go involved in the story too much because it's not my story. So I don't really know how it go, but coincidence like that can just happen. You don't know, and that's your own brother, you know, my people. Your own brother, your own family. How you try to take care of hard. Because not like when we come over here, we don't try to help our brother and sister them. We try our best, but sometimes most of us over here so we just can't do it. Because we are trying to help ourselves and it's just hard to help ourselves. More time for even to help more people, you know, my people. You understand? It's not easy. People must think it's easy. Like right now, we live in Toronto and right now 1 bedroom house. In Toronto right now, no matter say $3,000. If you're a Jamaican, if you get a $3,000 a minimum wage, $3,000 more than minimum wage here. For sure the cost of living over here is expensive. For instance, now me make $2,500 a month. My expense come up to $2,000. I only have $500. And then if I send you $50 out of Jamaica, you're going to say, yo, what kind of idiot money this me I send you? You're a fool, dog. You take that back. I'm going to gladly take it back, you know. Because I feel like I'm going to have my gas in my car, you know. I feel like I'm buy me a Presto Pass or something, you know. You understand me? I try to show you. So, you know, easy over here. So, like, I don't think it is. It's not easy. You know, easy none at all. Right now, I say April, no, tomorrow, May. And me I tell you, so outside still cold. We still have to be in a sweater. Jackets early morning, cold. You understand? You get a 1, 2, 3 day them, but no, my people. What next topic again, my people? People, please like, share, and subscribe, you know, my people. If you like them type of video here, I'm going to see if I can go more and put out a lot more of these content also. Alright, my people, so if you like them, just comment below and let me know. When we say Jamaicans again making it worse for other Jamaicans who live in overseas again. Ready? Alright now. For instance now, you work so hard over here now and you go to Jamaica, you go buy a piece of property. You see a place I like it, you see you go up at Red Hills now, you go buy a property for Red Hills. Nice community, nowhere now go on. Boom boom now, 4 or 5 years down the line. Bad people come take over a couple of the house, them like what I mean in St. Elizabeth right now. Come mash up the community, drive down the valley of your property. Drive down the valley of people even want to say you're going to try to do a Airbnb business. and anything like that. No, you can't do no Airbnb business right there, so nobody know want to go there, so. Because be a gunshot at night time, be a war, people are rob people, people are stick up people are rape, people are broke shop. You not go on none, you can't do no business right there, so. For instance, you pay $100 million for your house. And because of the crime rate and war going on in the community right now, it drive down your value to all 80, 90 million. You're going to be pissed off. So, and they might make it worse for even Jamaicans who live in Jamaica too. Because all the fortunate rich Jamaican people live in Jamaica, and don't take it twisted, you know. Jamaica have some of the most wealthiest people in the Caribbean, you know. Remember that, you know. So, you don't get it twisted. But like at the next part of it, like I just don't know what will go on. I don't know my people. I don't know if I have a plan for all of them things that we really are going on, you know, my people. I just look for most of them topics. I say it's a heartbreaking topic, and I say all the people are come out, come discuss them reasoning for really what really going on and why a lot of people not think to even go back to Jamaica. What the next topic will even come out, what they up on the news again right now, my people. I think one of the tourist board people I'm gonna say, the DR is better for Jamaicans to go and cheaper. Yeah, it was cheaper for Jamaicans go to enjoy them weekend more than a hotel in Jamaica, because a hotel in Jamaica costs them so much more money. That is unbelievable. People are pay them price because Jamaica gone to tourists now, my people. Most places you go to Jamaica, US dollar no take for everything, you know. When you frighten me there, Jamaica what they are. The cost of everything is so high. Me a foreigner. Me live at Toronto. I don't know how long I go stay here. But imagine the people who live down there. Me down there for about a month and a half, and I tell you, every day I go on the road, I spend about $2,000, $3,000. And if you have to buy gas at daytime and drive up and down, you know, so you spend $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 a daytime. Remember, you know, some people only get that for a week, you know, $12,000, $15,000 for a week, where you're spending 2 days, you know. So imagine a normal person, how them live. But people live, people have them shortcut. We just go on vacation. Some people go on vacation and must spend $200-300 US or Canadian per day. And they must spend all that month, but people again, you have to look in the fact that some of them people are save up for go do them type of lifestyle, you know. You think we just can't have money like that right now? We're there at Toronto. And we barely want to spend $50 a day time over here. So imagine that. Some people barely even want to spend $20. But when we're there at Jamaica, we are doing that. So I said, Jamaica just gone to foreign people. And most of that my people, because it's expensive. It's very, very expensive to live in Jamaica right now. So I don't know how. I don't know if that I bring up the crime rate and that make people chop them family are foreign. Because they know it's a choppy line type of business now, scam them family and stuff like that. I don't know if that the plan for most of them people, but I don't have a dollar to send to nobody right now in Jamaica when you try to build your own house or you can't. And the next thing, you know, people, you come back foreign, right? Anyway, me attack. And you build a property in Jamaica. They know say all the expense tie up, one. Two, you try to build your property in Jamaica so you can come back to Jamaica so you have a property, right? And them still tear you down, you know, my people, for help them to finish up for them property, and them don't care. They don't care about your property or about your needs or about what you want to do with your life, you know. It's all about them. You have some greedy family and members and relatives, you know, my people. That's always about them and what them can do. If them don't want to hear about, oh, you know, say, me I try to buy a ton of steel or 1,000 block, you know. You can't check it out for me, so you can't give me a thing. I go check it out. I saw them stay, you know, my people. So it's like, yeah, I look upon it and I say, yo. And that's why I virgin call Mwadi and I ask it, some question about building properties in Jamaica and buying. And I tell him, say straight, you have to go back to Jamaica, you know, because my property, I'll tell you how much my property cost me so far, enough people, and why it cost me so, you know. My property cost me over 200,000 already. Mush, right? Not going to exact figure, but over 200 to. Why it cost me so much? Because I don't have nobody down there for call upon. For say, yo, do this for me, do that for me. Everything I have to pay for. I have to go pick up son, I have to pay for. I have to go ask a couple invoice around the place. Yes, I know say your time and this and that. But I don't have no family down here to help me. If you say, yo, make them move around, make me try help Jay. But I guarantee you, say, them know if you find your number when them want something from you or when you go back, oh, you know, say, Jay, come down next month. You ask him to bring your phone for come give me no. You ask him to bring your shoes, come give me no. I ask him to do this, I ask him to do that. How come we cannot ask owner to do this or owner to do that? It no matter if you ask owner to buy to do this or that. You always cause us, because it's like, you don't do nothing. Out of send confidence and say, yo, you know, so Jay always help me. Jay always do that. Or mommy always do this for me, or mommy or daddy always. No, you just greedy for yourself. Because everybody just look out for themselves now, you know, my people. You see that? So my people, you have to put you first now. I saw it come down to, I saw it go along to right now for me now. I can't help you. You can't help me, I can't help you. I just saw it go down now, my people. And I saw you have to start look upon it, my people. Because you live in another country for 40 years and I send money to Jamaica, and nobody to help you, period. You send your last dollar go down there try to help somebody, and when you go down there, nobody now help you. You come back up here and try to say, yo, go back, get me 1,000 block now and get me the sand and cement. Now I try to build up a little thing. A body out there tell them because them try to build up for them little thing. You think them want to help you? Them might probably chop you and buy 800 block and take 200 for themselves. I saw them go on and they might send a picture. And I say, yo, everything nice and dandy, everything good, man. And when you go down there, you see half a house. You don't even see a full concrete structure, so they match up you. So people want to just look into it, man, and Jamaicans them over there, they need to build a little bit and look on it both sides more time. And that's why most people don't want to even go back down there. Because as some of you know, bad mind family members and bad mind friends and bad mind relatives that make it worse for the man to take up all our money for go back to Jamaica and for go build up. And then see them bad mind people in the community want rob and kill the man of a local way man just obtain. I think it's easy for somebody to obtain them type of money there in this country. Sometimes, alright, I used to work with an Indian man. And the Indian man say, yo, you know, so back in my country, I was a doctor or a financial accounting, a big accounting. And the man say, look, when I have to come back over here, so I have to go back to school and I come do trucking job. When I have my masters, they didn't transfer over my degrees and stuff over here. Some people left them good up job in the Caribbean and overseas and come to them country. And I have to start out back a factory job and I try to work back, go back to school. You understand? Just to send back money for go back homes and stuff like that. And don't take it for granted, and don't take the people them time for granted. And you can't help back the people them and stuff like that. When you see a man over there want to kill off back people and stuff. Just true because we are trying to make a life, brother. And you think it's a joke thing, my people. Like God no man, and I think it's a joke thing. It's hard in life, man. And if you stop be selfish to each other, man, and that. I think I cause most of them probably my people. But people, I'm not stay upon the topic too long, you know. But people want to get back some house videos soon again. I'm going to work on some more house topic. And whatever I want to talk about, people just let me know. I'm going to try to come up with a lot more topics to talk about, you know, because outside just moody right now. I'm still want to have the post up the next video, you know, the dumper. What the dumper dives people them over here, so what we have in our garbage. Compare to what other people having to feed them garbage. Because our garbage over here, my people, like me tell you, say, you know, you can't furnish out your house with them garbage over here, say, you know. But people, like more want to know for the like, share and subscribe to the channel. You know, it's a boy 416-876 Jamaica, you know, my people. But we have to take a walk going on. No frills, so you can go and walk with me, you know. I turn the camera and show you the place. You know what I mean, my people? So right now, we are walking around and no frills. I think I'll pick up some bag of lettuce, some salad. Or you go home and eat with some chicken wings, you know, my people. But yes, man, this is the famous no frills where we have in Canada, people. This has become like a mega mart or a price mart in Jamaica. You can compare it to. So, yeah, man, my people. Food prices are go up, go up, go up, go up. See when you over here, so now, man, with people. Nothing no easy over here now, with people. But I just make you go and glimpse around or the produce section, look at, you know, and the prices, lettuce and stuff. Just go a cook walk through, my people. I nah make this one here too long because I don't know. So some people don't really want to see them type of videos here. But I'm not going to make no negative videos. So I saw you place look my people and thing and move around. I'm not really stay up on the topic for too long now. So people just want to like, share, subscribe to the channel, share this video to your friend them and family if them think you think they want to hear about topics like this. And yeah man, drop on the comments below. Share, like, support the channel, my people. Please share, like, support the channel. Your boys out.